Sahte rozet, polis ışıkları ve telsizle polis gibi davranıp trafikte araç durduran güvenlik görevlisi Brendon Wozynski, gerçek bir polisle karşılaşacağını öngörememişti.
Can I talk to her for a minute?
Hey. How you doing?
What's going on, man? Let's just talk back here real quick. Who do you work for?
Early Insurance Office.
Oh, okay.
I know, I'm under-equipped.
Okay, because
Brandon'ın yüz ifadelerine dikkatlice bakarsanız, oldukça gergin olduğunu ve sanki bir şey saklıyormuş gibi gözlerini kaçırdığını fark edebilirsiniz.
normally you do, if you're out here, man, if you're making a traffic stop, you're just gonna have to stop, dude. Alright? Are you, what do you say you work for Brendon Sheriff's?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have an ID with you?
I mean, this is all I got on me. Like I said, I'm under-equipped. I was just heading over there to the courthouse
To the courthouse for what?
to get my crap.
Okay.
I know, it makes no sense. I caught him going 120 down I-40.
Okay. Why do you have lights on this vehicle?
Personal, I know.
Do you have an ID with you at all?
No, I keep it on my uniform.
Okay. What's your name?
Brendon Wozynski.
What is it?
Brendon Wozynski?
Brandon?
Yes, sir.
How do you spell that?
Brenden.
And your last name?
Wysynski.
Hold on. W-Y?
Yes, sir.
S?
Ynski.
So, Wozynski? Wozynski? That how you spell it?
Yes, sir.
What's your date of birth, man? Type, man,
Yes,
'cause...
sir. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna go through the back there.
Alright. San Montana, Adam Pity.
San Montana.
I'm gonna be at Frontage Road and 4th. Can you start me a unit and see if there is a BCSO supervisor that can come to my 20?
Jennifer, can you advise?
I'm gonna be out with one of the units.
1049.
Hey, just hang tight, man. And I'm not here yet.
Montana, I'm gonna need 49 to advise BCSO.
10-4. And I'm not here to mess with you, man. It's just the thing is, yeah, he was speeding, dude. You could have called it in, and because if you get into shooting, you're
Right.
All right, man.
I understand.
All right.
This, for starters, I know this looks really bad.
Right.
This looks really bad. This screams whacker.
Right. How long you been on?
About 3 years.
Okay. I've been on for like 13 years. All right. So I'm not saying I'm perfect, and I'm not saying that I've never done anything to against protocol, but you need to be a little bit more careful, all right?
Yes, sir.
So just do me a favor, hang tight for a second, okay?
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna and that's it, all right? Once we're done here, we're done, all right? So just give me a bit, all right? Thanks. Yeah, go for it. Go ahead. Hey, Brendan. In the meanwhile, man, until I get somebody out here, man, do me a favor. I'm not gonna handcuff you, but I'm gonna have you sit in back of my car, all right?
All right.
"Seni kelepçelemeyeceğim ama arabanın arkasına otur," diyen polis memuru, Brandon'ın polis olup olmadığı konusunda hala şüpheli. Biraz sonra bu tereddüdün devam edip etmeyeceğini göreceğiz.
Do you have anything on you, man? Any weapons or anything? Okay.
Keys and wallet.
That's fine. Just have a seat, all right?
All right.
Try to get everything cleared up, man. Just have a seat. What's that?
Can you talk to me real quick?
Yeah, give me 1 second. What's up, man?
All right. I'm just gonna be straight up honest with you. I'm
Okay.
not a cop.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just gonna be.
Where'd you get that badge from?
I bought it offline.
Okay. Do me a favor, stay in here, okay? For a second. I'm live.
Okay.
I was heading northbound on 4th Street. See this unit, 50 Ford, or 50 Ford on the car. I'm like, okay, you know, it's this car that's right here. And the guy was wearing jeans, no gun belts, no nothing, a t-shirt. And I'm like, and just wearing like an Air Force hat. So I'm like, that's strange. So I flip around, and his plates come back to civilian, doesn't come back to, you know, a skip or anything. So I stopped. I talked to him for a minute, and he's like, I asked him, who do you work for? And he's like, oh, I work for SO. I'm like, yeah, he looks really young. I'm like, oh, you've been out 3 years? Oh, okay. Well, you're kind of ill-equipped to, you know, to be 54 and anybody. And he's got lights and everything. He's got a badge right here too. And I'm standing here and I'm like, okay, this looks weird. He gives me his name and I double check it with the license plate and it comes back to him. And he's got lights on too. So the plate and him come back together. He first told me he was born in '94. When I checked the plates, he was born in 2001. And I double checked with MVD, his OLN comes back to 2001. I had him sitting back in my car because that's kind of weird to me. And right now when I was getting out, he's like, hey, let me talk to you again. I was like, no, I'm not a cop. I just bought this badge online. And he has lights and everything, like 54 the car because he said it was going like 120 on the interstate.
So he's not a BCSO employee at all?
No. But we're going to have BCSO come out anyways, just because he's impersonating a BCSO, and he looked like a BCSO badge.
Do you have him detained now?
Yeah, he's in the back of my car.
Okay.
Just because, like, I don't know who you are. You don't have anything other than a badge. You don't even have an ID on it. So, that's where we're at right now.
Okay.
I haven't been him his rights or anything. He just told me that statement that was free will. So, yeah, it was just really weird.
Yeah, definitely.
If you want to come with me, we're going to handcuff him. Because right now he's not handcuffed, I just had him sit in the car.
Okay. Yeah.
Because at that point I was still trying to figure it out.
Okay.
And he had to give me a statement. Hey Brendon, step out of the vehicle for a second, man. Okay, face the vehicle. At this point right now, you are being under arrest. Do you understand?
Okay.
Turn your hands this way. There you go. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. And give me a moment and then we're going to talk a little bit more, okay?
Alright.
Going off. Hey, Brendon, step out of the vehicle for a second. Okay, face the vehicle. At this point right now, you are being under arrest. You understand? Okay. Turn your hands this way. There you go. Okay. Go ahead and have a seat. And give me a moment and then we're going to talk a little bit more, okay?
Mind if I take a look at your badge? Would you be okay with that?
Yeah.
You got this online?
It was at one point my father's.
Okay. What's your? Can I ask your name?
Brendon?
Brandon.
Yes, sir.
And your last name, Brandon?
Wozynski.
What's your last name?
Wozynski.
Wozynski.
Yes, sir. Oh my god, even you spelled it wrong.
How do you spell Wozynski?
Did you?
WYSYNSKI.
Okay, never mind, you got it right.
You got it right.
Everyone gets it wrong.
Okay. Okay. How very interesting. Well, thank you.
Well, hold on. Do you mind if I call my wife and tell her I'm not coming home tonight?
That's going to be a decision these gentlemen make. If you'll hang tight.
Yeah, give
for
us a
just
little bit,
second,
all right,
okay?
mate? Well,
All right, Brandon, I'm just gonna put on the seatbelt, okay? So I need you to lean back a little bit. Thank you.
can I please help my wife?
I'll give you when we get to the substation, we'll give you a call. Okay?
Brandon, işin ciddiyetinin farkına varıyor. Ancak esas zor kısım şimdi başlıyor. Araçtaki ekipman, rozet ve ışıklar tek tek soruluyor.
All right, Brandon. I'm gonna take off the seatbelt. Come on out. Feet first. It's just easier that way.
Feet first.
We'll get your hat in a little bit.
John 131, caller temporary step out.
We'll get it right now. Don't worry about it. Okay. I'll have somebody pick it up right now. We're gonna go down to the left, down the hallway. We're gonna sit in one of these seats over here. Which one? Whatever you want. Which one we want. That one. Let me take off one of the handcuffs. That way you can sit down a little bit more comfortable. Okay, go ahead and spin. There you go.
John 131 PD, code for RTC.
Okay. Before I start everything, I just want to advise you of your Miranda rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you by court. At this time, if you wish to talk to me, you can stop talking to me at any time. Would you like to talk to me about what happened tonight?
Yeah, I as well. I'll own it. I'll own it.
Okay, so, well, let's start from the beginning. So, what happened tonight?
Well, you just want.
Can you just tell me from the beginning what happened before I approached you?
I was going to work. I caught this guy flying down the highway at 120.
Mm-hmm. Where do you work at?
I work at Albuquerque Courtesy and Parking.
Courtesy and Parking?
Mm-hmm.
Is that for the city or who does that for?
It's a security company.
Okay. And say that again? The Albuquerque
Courtesy and Parking.
Courtesy and Parking. Okay. I'm like, okay. How do you know how fast the other car was going?
Trailed behind him.
Okay. And Then what happened when you saw him going that fast? Was it on the freeway, on the street?
Freeway.
Okay, then what happened?
Flashed my lights, pulled him over,
Okay,
and then that's
The lights
about,
in-
that's about the time that you got there.
okay. The lights, were they in your car or personal car or company car?
My car.
Your personal car?
Yes.
Okay, who installed the lights in your car?
I did.
You did? Okay, and when I peeked into your car, I also saw that you had some sort of radio. Is that yours too? Okay. Okay. And then when I made contact with you, I noticed you had a badge. Where'd you get that badge from?
It belonged to my dad.
It belongs to your dad? When was
Well,
he?
it did.
It did? Is he still around, or did he pass away?
Well, he was killed
Oh, he was killed. Okay. When was he killed?
about 5-6 years ago.
Okay. When did he leave the department?
He didn't leave. He was killed in line of duty.
Oh, was he now? Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay. And you said he used to work for BCSO, Brendon County Sheriff's? Okay. And when I approached you, why did you identify yourself as a deputy or a part of BCSO?
I freaked out.
Okay. Okay, because I asked you your date of birth and you initially gave me
Right.
something in 1994.
Right.
Right. Okay. Okay. What did the driver say to you?
He said he was something about his sister in the hospital, and that he was trying to get there. I told him it's not worth killing someone over.
Okay. How old was the guy? How do you look? How old did he look?
Based off of his license, he was about 60. And
60?
I didn't do the math in my head.
Okay. Do you remember his name at all?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Do you have any weapons in your vehicle?
There's a handgun in a locked case under the seat.
Okay. Is there anything inside the vehicle that we should know about?
The glove box, I think I have a set of handcuffs and some extra ammunition for the handgun.
Okay. Alright. For now, that'll conclude our interview. More likely, somebody else will give you a phone call later on and just try to go a little bit more in depth, okay?
This way. Nah, man, your car got towed.
Yeah, I know. It's in the impound lot now.
Yep.
You guys at least got my stuff out of there, right?
What do you mean?
My phone and stuff.
So, since it's being seized for evidence, everything stays in there.
God damn it.
Yeah, buddy. Can't be pretending to be a cop.
Yeah, I know. I'm stupid.
Lesson learned, right?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah.
Cool. If only I can find this. Cool. There it is. Thank you. I hate seatbelts, man, but we have to do it.
What? Someone with a good taste in music. That's
You like King Brown?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, huh?
Sorgunun ardından Brendon gözaltına alınıyor ve işlemler için karakola götürülüyor. Dosyanın bir dedektife devredileceği, aracındaki rozet, telsiz ve ışık sisteminin inceleneceği ve dava süreci sonuçlanana kadar delil olarak saklanacağı belirtiliyor. Ertesi gün serbest bırakılma ihtimali memur tarafından ifade ediliyor.